Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I really appreciate it. This is Glow Blend Awareness, guys. Okay, let's glow together, ladies and gentlemen. So it's for us to glow this year, guys. I can't stress it enough. And I just want to show you a beautiful recipe today. Then for actually this one is just for your hand. If you've got like hand, we're trying to still build up that um glowing hand. Yeah, we're still on the process, and all the recipe that I've been using there have been so amazing, guys. And you know, continuation is so key. Continuity is key, and consistency is the key of everything. Okay, we can't just do once and it work for us and it's so amazing and then we stop using it. We have to keep using it, okay, for us to have that ongoing glow. Excuse me. So I've got this prepared. I just used this for the 7 days challenge, and I'm going to show you. And if you want to use it on your hand, I'm going to show you as well. And we just add one more ingredient to this, and then we're going to use it on our hands just like so. So what I will do, I'm going to, this is the preparation of aloe vera. This is a preparation of aloe vera. I use aloe vera plant. I think this is the last one on this part. I've got very big and I cut it into two and store the other one. And I've been using this part. This is the last one. But I've just prepared it, just not using this one. And again, you can actually use this aloe vera on your face like that. If you open it, you can just cut it out. The juice, you can just use it to rub your face. It's very effective as well. And yeah, this is what we're using. Aloe vera, that is it. The juice is already there. I use rose water as well. I use a teaspoon of rose water inside this mix. If you actually want to see how I mixed it, you can actually watch the previous video before this one. Then I use a pure glycerin. Okay, these are the 3 ingredients. Okay, the 3 ingredients for this recipe. So everything is actually mixed on here already because I just finished using this stuff on my face. And now you can tell because our hand is more having that dryness more than the face, because the face actually control the oil. Our hand actually control the oil we put into it, but our hand is always getting more dry. Okay, and because of that, I'm going to add one more ingredient to this, which is our super Johnson baby oil. This oil is actually so beautiful for moisturizing your skin, and it will lock in the moisture. And again, it's hydration. It will hydrate our skin and it will protect the skin barrier as well. So what I'm going to do, I'll take my spoon just like so, and I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of this Johnson oil and put it like so. So what we are doing from the other one is just adding one simple ingredient to this. Okay, so we mix it. This one is going to our hand. If it's going to our face, we don't need the Johnson baby oil, just because this one is going to our hands, so that's why we're using it. So it's just like so. It's actually mixed already. The recipe is as simple as this. You don't need to stress yourself at all. So what we need to do, just to wipe this in our hand. And again, don't forget, when you are using something like, we're not going to wash it out. It's going to stay like this. Okay. You can see. stay like this, why is it? You see, you can actually see instantly as I'm applying it, you can see the difference. It's already, let me show you, it's already working, just work instantly because of the ingredients combined. Okay, so I'm going to do the second one as well. So one hand shouldn't be left out, guys. So I'll do the second one just like so. I actually prepared this for the sake of my hand, okay? I don't know if you can use it for other part of the body. If you want to use it for part of the body, just prepare the way it is. No need to add the baby Johnson oil, because that oil will actually make it to be more moisture. Except you want to use it for your feet, and you're good to go. Okay, this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just leave it to air dry, okay? I'm not going to wash it out. It has that healing property that can actually straighten and heal all the crack, all the dryness. So it has the property, healing property in it that will straighten it. So there is no need in washing it out. Okay, I shall massage it for a while, then I'll leave it to air dry. It will take a couple of minutes to dry because it's oil combined, but that's fine. I'll leave it to dry. Maybe later when I want to eat something, I can just wash my hand. But at the moment, I'm going to leave it to dry. This is it. You want beautiful hand, you want that straight hand looking, you have a very simple recipe to use, guys. Okay, this is it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, guys? Please help your guys subscribe to my channel, leave your comments in the comment section. Any questions at all, let me know, and I will respond to questions, and I will answer your questions. Any query at all, let me know as well. And if you want to get anything, like where you want to get your stuff, your items, you just let me know. Okay, there is some item here that you can get from Asda. Like for example, you can get this in Tesco, Asda, anywhere, any of these superstore. But when it gets to like things like the rose water, I actually got this one from African shop. So yeah, this is it. Okay, and like my video as well, share to friends and family. Okay, let's grow together, guys, and let's being beautiful all the time, guys. Okay, we don't need to spend a lot of money while we're doing this. We can actually do it while we're having fun, and we are glowing. Yeah, until we meet again, guys, thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye.